Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure mobile data is active and your phone is unlocked. Plug a good USB cable into the PC and your phone, then accept any trust or file access prompts. Once done, open your phone's settings and toggle USB tethering or a similar option. This hands control to your device. You must allow the connection because the phone shares its network adapter with the PC. This step establishes a direct, reliable link for internet access via the phone. Once the phone enables tethering, switch to your PC and confirm the new connection. On Windows, go to Network and Internet. On Mac OS, open Network in System Preferences. Make sure the USB network adapter is enabled and set to obtain IP via DHCP so the phone assigns addresses automatically. If the PC asks for drivers, allow Windows Update or install the phone's drivers. This resolves adapter recognition. If IP information is missing, release and renew the adapter or restart the network service to refresh routing. Now verify connectivity by loading a web page or running a quick speed test. This confirms DNS and routing are working. If you see no internet, first toggle USB tethering off and on, disconnect and reconnect the cable, and reboot the phone or PC as needed. Once done, check for carrier restrictions, data limits, or blocked tethering on your plan. A key troubleshooting tip: if tethering fails repeatedly, enable airplane mode for 5-10 seconds, then disable it to reset the phone radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.